students, let's continue with practice set 6.2, sum number 3. Two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meters. There are two buildings which are facing each other and the width of the road is 12 meters. From the top of the first building which is 10 meters high, पहली building जो 10 मीटर high है, from the top of that building the angle of elevation to the top of the second is found to be 60 degrees. मतलब पहली बिल्डिंग के टॉप से सेकंड बिल्डिंग के टॉप पे देखेगा तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 60 डिग्री दिखता है. Find the height of the second building. Find the height of the second building. Now let us prepare a diagram because the diagram is the most important thing in this question. सबसे पहला there are two buildings which are 12 meters apart. From the top of the first building which is 10 meters high, this is 10 meters high. From the top of this building, the angle of elevation is supposed to be 60 degrees. The angle of elevation is supposed to be 60 degrees. So this is ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं हो जाए. So this is the first building. AB is the first building. C, D, E. C is the second building. And once again, there are two buildings. From the top of this building, the angle of elevation is found to be 60 degrees. Angle of elevation means ऐसा. यहाँ से मैं अगर देखता हूँ तो angle of elevation ऐसा बनता है. ये लाइन और ये लाइन. This is the angle form. So this is the angle form. This is the angle form. Okay. So this is 12 meters. So buildings 90 degree रहेगा. Okay. So this is the horizontal. So this will be 90 degrees. So this will be also 90 degrees. Therefore this ABCD will be a rectangle. Okay. Now what we are supposed to find? You are supposed to write what? Right. फटाफट लिख दो. Let the two buildings be AB and EC. लिखो. Let the two buildings be AB and EC. Let the road be represented by segment BC. Let the road be represented by segment BC. AD is a horizontal. ऐसा लिखो. AD is a horizontal. Therefore next line में लिखो. Therefore in quadrilateral therefore लिखो angle EAD is an angle of elevation. ऐसा लिखो. It is an angle of elevation. बराबर है. फिर लिखो in quadrilateral ABCD measure angle ABC is equal to measure angle BCD is equal to measure angle CDA is equal to 90 degrees is equal to measure angle BAD is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. बराबर. This is a rectangle. Therefore sec AB is equal to sec CD is equal to 10 meters. बराबर. This is 10 meters. This is 12, so this is also 12 meters. Sec BC is equal to sec AD is equal to 12 meters. लिखो. रीजन लिखो. क्या रीजन लिखेंगे? Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Right reason. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. बराबर है. यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया. ये तो सम का इंट्रो था. ये तो कुछ भी नहीं था. This is only introduction. And I told you that 70% of the sum is complete in introduction only. ये intro इतना लिखना है बस. That's it. Diagram बनाना है and that you have to write the intro. सम खत्म. अब तुम लोग बोलेंगे सर अब क्या बचा है? Now in triangle EAD और DAE, in triangle DAE, tan angle EAD, tan angle EAD. याद है ना मैंने सिखाया था tan angle EAD. tan का फॉर्मूला ओशा छोटा, ऑपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट. इसका ऑपोजिट इज ED, adjacent is AD, that is ED upon 12 dash 1. tan EAD means tan 60. टेबल में देखो tan 60 का वैल्यू √3 आता है. टेबल चेक करो, √3 आएगा. फ्रॉम 1 and 2 ED upon 12 is equal to √3. ED is equal to 12 into √3. ED is equal to 12 into 1.73. 12 3s are 36, 6 3. 12 7s are 84, 7 8. 12 1s are 12. 20.76 ED. Therefore, what we are supposed to find? Building का distance C, C dash D dash E, CD plus D is equal to C. CD is 10, D is 20.76 is equal to C. Therefore, C is equal to 30.76 meters. Last में time में लिखो. Therefore, the height of the building is 30.76 meters. This is sum number 4. Two poles of height 18 meters and 7 meters are erected on the ground. The length of the wire fastened at their tops is 22 meters. Find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. Now, two poles of 18 meters and 7 meters. So, first pole is of 18 meters and second pole is of 7 meters. 7 meters. They are erected on the ground. A ground where there are two poles which are erected 18 meters and 7 meters. Hope you understand. This is 18 meters pole and this is 7 meters pole. Okay, there are two poles. Now the angle made by the second pole to the top, that we are supposed to find. There is a wire which is fastened, मतलब वो लोग दोनों के tops को touch करता हुआ एक wire है जो ऐसा fasten किया हुआ, मतलब straight है, बराबर है. So this is pole AB, this is pole CD. Okay, first is 18 meters, this is 7 meters. Now this is 90 degrees. 90 degrees horizontal is also 90 degrees, बराबर है. This will be also 90 degrees. This will be remaining angle 90 degrees. This is A, B, C, D, and here it will be suppose M. Okay. Now what you are supposed to write first? Information लिखेंगे ना तुम लोग, मैंने लिखता हूँ. Right. Let AB and CD represent the two poles which are erected on ground. Sec BC be the distance. Let sec BC be the distance between the two poles. Right. Then write to find the angle formed by the string from the first pole to the second pole. That is to find right angle ADM. Okay, we are supposed to find this angle. Okay, we are supposed to find angle X. Once again I'll read. Two poles of 18 meters and 7 meters are erected on the ground. The length of the wire fastened to tops is 22 meters. Next line पे लिखो, ऐसा भी लिखो. The length of the wire, let AD be the length of the wire, which is 22 meters. ऐसा लिखो. Now we will start with the sum. हमें क्या करना है? Find करना है angle ATM. Now solution. Once again इसके पहले वाले sum जैसा, this is a rectangle. In quadrilateral MBCD, measure angle MBC is equal to measure angle BCD is equal to measure angle CDM is equal to measure angle BMD is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore quadrilateral MBCD is a rectangle. See, ये सम ये नहीं है, इसमें रेक्टेंगल प्रूव करने ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब ये सब ऐसा नहीं है जो ज्योमेट्री से रिलेटेड है एकदम पूरा, क्या रेक्टेंगल कैसा एक से टीचर्स बोलेंगे कि इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट दिस इज रेक्टेंगल, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है, रेक्टेंगल है, एंड देन वी आर सपोज्ड टू फाइंड x. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड x? सो दिस इज 7, so this will be 7. I will write seg CD is equal to seg BM is equal to 7 meters. Opposite sides of rectangle. Okay, so total AB is 18, this is 7, so this will be 11. So I will write A dash M dash B, AM plus MB is equal to AB. AM पता नहीं है, MB 7 है, AB 18 है, therefore AM is equal to 18 minus 7, that is 11. So AM will be 11. this is 11, this is 11, this is 22. Okay. Now what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find this angle, angle ADM. How to find angle ADM? In triangle ADM, जरा एक बार देखो आप, ADM triangle में which sides are given? Opposite, hypotenuse. We cannot use tan and cot here. We cannot use tan. Normally हम tan कर देते हैं. Tan नहीं use कर सकते हैं. When there is opposite and hypotenuse involved, then which to use? Sine or cosec. Sine, ओशा छोटा में opposite upon hypotenuse. So I will write sine angle ADM is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is AM, hypotenuse is AD. So 11 upon 22, 1s are 2s are 1 upon 2. So you got sine angle ADM as 1 upon 2. कौन सा साइन, टेबल चेक करो, कौन सा साइन 1 upon 2 है? साइन 30 1 upon 2 है. चेक करो फ्रॉम द टेबल. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Sin ADM is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 is same. So angle ADM will be how much? Sin is also same. Angle ADM will be equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, last answer, the angle formed by the string with the horizontal is 30 degrees. This is sum number 5 and last sum of today's video. A storm broke a tree and the tree's top rested 20 meters from the base of the tree, making an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. Find the height of the tree. A tree. This is point A, this is point B. This is a tree. This tree broke. सपोज वो यहां से टूट जाता है, यहां से टूट जाता है. दिस इज पॉइंट सी. सपोज यहां से टूटता है, यहां से टूटने के बाद वो ग्राउंड पे गिरेगा, मतलब वो ऐसे गिरा, यहां से टूट के वो ऐसा गिरा, मतलब दिस एंड दिस इज इक्वल. ये पार्ट इधर आ गया, बराबर है. ये टूट गया और ये टूट के गिर गया. दैट मींस this AC and CD is the same part, or the CD represents the broken part of the tree. वो झाड़ ऐसा खड़ा था और उतने में हवा से टूट गया तो नीचे गिर गया. और क्या एंगल बन गया वो भी दिया हुआ है. एंगल बन गया 60 डिग्रीज का. एंगल बन गया 60 डिग्रीज का. और ग्राउंड से कितने दूर गिरा वो भी दिया है. एंड रेस्टेड 20 मीटर्स फ्रॉम द बेस. बेस से 20 मीटर्स दूर गिर गया. बेस से 20 मीटर्स दूर गिर गया. हमें फाइंड करना है हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. वी आर सपोज टू फाइंड दिस हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. अरे बराबर है. दैट मींस इफ आई फाइंड CD, आई विल गेट AC. अरे बराबर है. इफ आई गेट CD and BD, I can get CB. I will add these two, I will get the answer. अरे बराबर है. But before that you have to write some information about the sum. मतलब पहले इंट्रोडक्शन लिखना पड़ेगा. ये सम में डायग्राम और इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So you have to write, let AB be the tree before it broke. Let AC be the broken part. AC and CD are same because AC represents the CD represents the broken part AC. Therefore AC is equal to CD. लिख रहे हो ना? लिखो फटाफट. Next line, angle formed by the broken part with the horizontal, that is angle CDB is equal to 60 degrees. Angle formed by the broken part with the horizontal is equal to angle CBD is equal to 60 degrees. लिख दिया. नेक्स्ट लाइन. अब क्या करना है? पहले हमें फाइंड करना है सपोज CD. क्या फाइंड करना है? CD. चलो CD फाइंड करते हैं. एडजेसेंट और हाइपोटेन्यूज ये भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं ना. एडजेसेंट और ऑपोजिट. पहले BC फाइंड कर लेते हैं. चलो tan याद है ना? tan एंगल CDB एंगल CDB tan opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is BC, adjacent is BD. BC is BC, BD is 20 dash 1. Tan angle CDB is tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3 dash 2. From 1 and 2, BC upon 20 is equal to root 3. BC is equal to 20 root 3. BC is equal to 20 into 1.73. BC is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 3. 34.6 meters BC मिल गया. BC मिल गया 34.6 meters. कैसे? tan tan, ऐसे tan tan, ऐसे tan tan, ऐसे tan tan. अभी आगे चलते हैं. Now what? Now what? Now we are having opposite and we are having hypotenuse. We are supposed to find this hypotenuse now, no? We are supposed to find CD now. So opposite hypotenuse के लिए sin angle BDC या CDB opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite, इसका opposite is BC, that is 34.6, but 20 root 3 लिख सकता हूँ ना, 20 root 3. Hypotenuse is DC. Okay. Sin CDB means sin 60, that is root 3 upon 2. This is 3, this is 4. From 3 and 4. Sin CDB. That means दोनों सेम रहेगा. 20 root 3 upon BC is equal to root 3 upon 2. Cross multiply. BC is equal to 20 root 3 into 2 divided by root 3. Root 3 will cancel. BC is equal to 40. BC is equal to 40. अरे बराबर. If this is 40, so this will be 40. Therefore, sec DC is equal to sec AC is equal to 40 meters. But we are supposed to find the height of the tree. That is height of tree. Bracket में AB is AC plus BC. So 40 plus 34.6, that is 74.6 meters. Hope this is clear. 74.6 meters. Once again, just an overview of the last question, because I know that this was a difficult one. There was a tree, the tree broke and this part came down. This part came down. That means this is A, B, C, D. So this part and this part is same. Okay. This is 60 degrees. It was given that this is 60. And this also was given. This was given as 20. This was given as 20. Okay. Now what we were supposed to find? We were supposed to find distance AC. But distance AC, height of the tree find करने के लिए दो पार्ट थे, BC और AB. तो पहले मैंने BC फाइंड किया. BC फाइंड करने के लिए ये है एडजेसेंट, ये है ऑपोजिट. तो I used tan. So I got this as 20 root 3 and this as 20 was given. So I got, with the use of tan, I got this 20 root 3. Then the answer was not over yet, because हमें ये और ये फाइंड करना है. तो ये भी फाइंड करना था. ये तो फाइंड नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ये और ये इक्वल है, तो BD फाइंड कर सकते थे. So I saw opposite and I saw hypotenuse. Then I used sin. फिर मैंने sin यूज किया. sin मतलब क्या? tan मतलब क्या? tan मतलब ओशा छोटा और टेबल. sin मतलब ओशा छोटा और टेबल. मैंने सीखा है पूरे एक्सरसाइज में. मैंने BD फाइंड किया. BD मिल गया 40. तो ये मिल गया 40. तो ये ऐड कर लिया and I got the answer. Okay.